We interrupt your game, for Barney error. Because of that, you killed Barney. If people see you, you are going to jail. But don't turn off your computer, or I will crack you.
Oh my goodness, how dare you turn it off? That's it, that's it, I'm getting hyper punishment. Oh, I'm so angry right now. You are not grounded, but super grounded for Well, how do you like this? You got the extreme punishment. This means you are.
Oh, I'm getting 9 cat punishment. This punishment is way too impossible to turn off. That's it. You are grounded for infinity. I will be your worst nightmare.